So this one is the electric current problem in NEET 2019. We have 6 bulbs and they are connected in this fashion in 2 sections, A and B, and this is joined like all of them, and we need to find the ratio of the power which is drawn by all those bulbs when all are glowing. That is condition number 1. And the second is 2 from section A, take any 2 from section A and take any 1 from section B, and then we need to find out the ratio of the power. So let's do the first part, and we will draw a circuit we are familiar with, like resistors. 1, 2, the bulbs are nothing but resistors, so I will draw it like this just to make sure we do it the way with the symbols we are familiar with. This is R. Now these 3 R's resistors are in parallel, and these 3 resistors are in parallel. You can mentally think that these 3 are in parallel, these 3 are parallel, and all these points are common points. So this R, 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 and R, R, R. This circuit becomes equal to this R by 3 and R by 3, driven by this battery. And R by 3 and R by 3 are in series. If you are not sure, 2 equal resistance RR, they have an equivalent resistance of R by 2. 3 resistors, R by 3. 4 resistors, R by 4. So on and so forth. Something you need to remember. R by 3 in series. So this becomes equal to 2R by 3. I can remove this and I make it 2R by 3 driven by E. So we can calculate the power in this one. Power will be equal to V square by R, or this is constant E square divided by R is 2R divided by 3. Now move on to the part 2. 2 from section A and 1 from section B. So how does it look like? 2 resistors here and 1 from section B. This is electric field E. This is R in parallel. So 2 resistors R in parallel. They become R by 2 here and R here. And this becomes equal to R plus R by 2, or 3R, 2R plus R, 3R by 2 driven by E. So this, if we call this one as power P1, and if in this case if our power is P2, then P2 will be equal to V square divided by R. R is 3R by 2. Now we need to find out P1 divided by P2. That will be equal to 3 by 2R, 3 by 2 E square by R divided by 2E square by 3R. This becomes equal to 9 by 4. So our answer should be this. Make sure you have a temptation to use this one. If you are not careful, you can do take this resistance ratio, and then you can end up this answer as 4:9, which may not be the correct. So this was a simpler problem in the electric current, and you should do all the electric current problems if you want to score in NEET.